What is goal-based planning? It is the first and most important step in your financial planning process. You need to know what you're saving for. Short-term, long-term, house, car, child education, vacation, retirement, etc. Goals help you set the priorities. Goals help you measure progress. Goals help you stay motivated. Goals will help you beat procrastination. In order to achieve your goals, you need to be systematic. You need to understand the nature of your goals so that you know by when you need the money and what is the investment required for it. Here's how you can do that. Put down the value of your goals in today's terms. Choose the investment time frame as per your goal, that is, short-term, medium-term, and long-term goals. Invest according to your risk appetite. Once you have prioritized your goals, here's where the systematic investment plan comes into play. A systematic investment plan is a periodic investment where a chosen amount gets invested automatically from your bank account. So why choose SIP for your goals? It invests a fixed amount at predetermined intervals, reduces the impact of market volatility, offers a disciplined way of investing, offers power of compounding. It is based on rupee cost averaging. It's small and pocket friendly, simple and quick. Here's how SIP works. It allows you to buy more units as the market moves down and less units as the market moves up. Aims to reduce risk by spreading investments over a long period of time. Starting early gives your money more time to grow. Starting a separate SIP for each goal allows diversification of investments across schemes as per your needs. So, if the magic number for your goal